This at-home denture kit, I have to say, I'm a little skeptical. The site makes it sound super easy. You don't need any glue or dentist visits, and it supposedly works whether you have a few teeth missing or none at all. They say it's a simple 3-step process: rinse, place on your gums, and let it stick. They also mention your mouth might feel a bit unusual at first, but it should adjust after a few days. The product uses silicone suction cups and is supposed to be moldable so you can get it fitted at home in about 30 minutes. In theory, that sounds convenient, but the marketing is really over the top. The pictures look like stock photos or generated images, and the site promises a perfect fit and fast results. They even quote dentists, but there's no way to verify those endorsements. It costs over $50, which seems high compared to other denture kits that are only a few dollars. There's no proof it's been officially approved or tested by medical authorities, and some claims, like protecting your jaw, aren't accurate. Removable dentures don't stop natural changes in your mouth. Customer feedback is mixed. On the site, reviews are positive, but outside of that, people mention that it feels cheap, doesn't fit well, looks unnatural, and can be uncomfortable. There are also reports of shipping problems, hard to track orders, and refunds being difficult. Overall, it looks convenient online, but it might not meet expectations in real life.